Today we're going to go over how to make this effect in Final Cut Pro easily. Here on the screen is our website, www.b3-studios.com, where there are plenty of plugins to enhance your Final Cut Pro workflow. Some are free and some you have to pay for, but all in all, they will help your Final Cut Pro workflow. So go take advantage of the website. Now let's get on into the video for today. Okay, so we have our scene here, and it's pretty much some leaves falling. If you guys want to follow along, I will leave the link of this clip in the description. But what we're gonna do here is we're just gonna make this a bit more dynamic. We're going to add a time mapping effect, and we're going to add a couple of more effects. So this will be an easy tutorial. We are going to start by clicking on our clip and hitting Command R to bring up the timer mapping. And I am going to press this arrow down right here, go to custom, and I am going to reverse this clip. Okay, now that the clip is reversed, I'm gonna kind of like skim through my timeline to see when there's like a good amount of leaves in the scene. Okay, there's a good amount of leaves right here. So I'm just actually gonna break this clip right here. Just break all of this off right here. Command B, and right here we can press Shift B, and we're gonna go reverse right here. We're gonna reverse times 8. Now let's play this back and let's see how this looks. Pretty good, but I think we can cut this down a bit to make it even faster. That looks really cool right there. And now what we're gonna do is we are going to add motion blur, and I'm gonna leave this in the description as well. And it'll be under your titles whenever you download. And yeah, that makes it look a lot better once we added that motion blur. And now we are just gonna add one more effect, and that is the Glint light effect, just to give it some halation and some glow and some like heavenly feel. This is a lot right here, so we're gonna turn this down. We're gonna go to about right there. Turn the intensity down a bit. About right here. So now, here's our scene. Looks really, really good. That was the tutorial for today, guys. I hope you guys learned something. If you did, please consider subscribing and hit that like button. Visit our website where we have plenty of Final Cut Pro plugins for you to enhance your workflow and your work process in Final Cut Pro. And guys, I will talk to you guys soon. Thanks, bye.